Good afternoon and welcome to our virtual open house. We are here today at 576 Turner in the lovely neighborhood of Longmore in South Burlington. We have a 3+2 bungalow with a separate entrance, 2 kitchens, 2 laundry rooms, and 2 full baths. We have parking at this property with a brand newly paved asphalt driveway for at least 5 vehicles. This house is perfect for anybody who has a teenager or a senior living with them. We have a full in-law suite in the basement. Let's go and see this beautifully renovated bungalow. Right as you come in, you will see that we have brand new flooring throughout the entire house. Also, everything has been painted, new lighting, as well as new fixtures throughout.
I love these windows.
Absolutely. So Troy, I know you grew up not too far from here. What are some highlights about this neighborhood?
Absolutely. It's a fantastic neighborhood. All the amenities you could want, trails, the creek down to the lake. You can walk down and explore. So fun. Good schools. Just love it.
And we have a lovely quartz countertop here, stainless steel appliances, and one of my favorite features of this kitchen, all this extra space in the hideaway cabinet.
Love that. I love this island here, all integrated. And what I forgot to mention is we're also walking distance to the GO station, bicycling distance to the GO station,
and
so close to the QEW 403, and the 407 isn't far either.
Absolutely. So let's go have a look at the 3 bedrooms on the main level. Each one of the bedrooms is fair size and has its own closet. So whether you're a young family or you're living here with a few of your friends, everyone has their own personal space.
Nice and bright, generous rooms.
Bedroom number 2. Again, neutral colors throughout. New trim has been done, and again, really fine attention to detail.
Love it. Nice big cupboards. Huge backyard potential. Just need someone to get in there and start some gardening.
The lot size here, we're 49 by 120, so we are quite a generous size lot. Here, we also have a lovely 4-piece bathroom as well as the laundry room.
Love the subway tile, nice and bright, great laundry.
So continuing on, I did mention that we do have a separate entrance at this property. So the way this would work easily, and for the renovation that we did, we left out a door that could be easily installed here. That would totally divide the 2 units. It is being left open right now for viewing purposes, but as you can see, there is a totally separate entrance right here, fitted with a differently keyed loft as well. So come on downstairs and let's check out the basement. So again, lots of natural light, very high ceilings, and wow, look at this open space.
This is fantastic. I love the LED pot lights, lots of them all through.
Large egress size window as well. We do have gas range, beautiful quartz countertops, dishwasher, and again, fridge. One thing I'd really like to point out about this property is the amount of storage that's available. Come have a look at the size of this laundry room.
Fantastic.
So laundry room, it could easily be storage as well if you put some fixed shelving units along the wall. Here we have hot water tank as well as the furnace. Now let's go check out the 2 bedrooms that are down here.
Just love this flooring.
It matches throughout, and I think you know, they did a fantastic job throughout the property keeping the consistency. You know, everything matches, the colors on the wall, the trim work, you know, they've really thought through everything. And Troy, how about the size of this bedroom?
It's great, it's huge. This is a fantastic bedroom.
So, let's go check out bedroom number 2. Again, Extremely generous in its size.
Well, that's great, Colin. What are we offering this at?
What a great question, Troy. So we were offering this 2+1 bungalow here in South Burlington for $999,888. We are holding offers until Wednesday of next week. That'll give us 7 days on the market. However, we have had the discussion and we would consider a preemptive if someone came early and thought it was the perfect house for them. If you have any questions about this brand new listing at 576 Turner here in Burlington, reach out to myself, Colin Gainham, Troy Chalet, or Karen Paul. You can find all of our information at karenpaul.com. Thank you so much for joining us today.